Rudreshwar Temple in Telangana, commonly known as Ramappa Temple, has now been given a World Heritage Site tag by UNESCO following the 44th session of its World Heritage Committee on July 25. 17 countries backed the resolution, with Russia leading the support, while Norway was the only country that opposed the approval. This iconic temple is now India's 39th World Heritage Site. UNESCO defines a World Heritage Site as a designation for places on Earth that are of outstanding universal value to humanity, to be protected for future generations to appreciate and enjoy. To be included on the World Heritage List, sites must be of outstanding universal value and meet at least 1 out of 10 selection criteria, which includes both cultural and natural criteria. The protection, management, authenticity, and integrity of the property are among other important considerations. Rudreshwar Temple is a 13th century engineering and architectural marvel known after its architect Ramappa. It is arguably the only temple in the country which is known by the name of its architect. The temple is located at Palampet village in Mulugu Taluk, about 67 km away from Warangal and 160 km from Hyderabad. The temple dates back to 1213 AD and was built during the reign of Kakatiya kingdom under King Ganpati Dev. It was built under the supervision of Chief Commander Rachela Rudra and dedicated to Lord Ramlingeshwar Swami. This temple is considered to be one of the best among the medieval temples of South India and has managed to stand the test of time despite various invasions and wars over centuries. The temple is nestled in the midst of what was once a royal garden and is now simply a lush green path dotted with trees. The temple is said to be constructed with a unique type of brick that can float on water. It stands 6 feet tall and is built on a star-shaped platform. The main entrance is now in ruins. The carvings on the walls showcase the rich cultural history of that age by depicting various dance forms and musical instruments, while its ceiling consists of carvings depicting scenes from Hindu epics, Ramayana, Shiv Puran, and various other ancient texts and mythology. In front of the temple, there is a Nandi Mandapam with the Nandi facing the shrine of Lord Shiva. A Federal Report.